It's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. I'm going to clue you in on how to make an easy, instant 50 bucks. You don't have to do anything. Watch this video. Okay, what's doing is if you want to make an easy 50 bucks a year, I know it's not huge money, but you get it for doing nothing. You want to make an easy 50 bucks a year, plus you get a chance to win $1,000 a month. There's an easy way to do it. You download this app. That's all you have to do is download an app and you'll get paid. Now, it's the Nielsen app. And Nielsen, if you don't know, has been in the business of rating TV shows for years. So they used to get these little boxes and put them on your TV sets if you were selected. And it would monitor what you watched on TV, and that would be the rating system, and that would be how TV shows knew how much to charge for advertising. It's a whole industry thing. Don't bug me about it. Well, now they're doing it for your computer surfing habits. Same kind of thing. You download the app, you surf the internet, it collects data on your surfing habits. It's not a covert, creepy thing. I mean, you know, maybe if that creeps you out, don't do it, obviously. But, you know, you just download the app and you'll get 50 bucks plus maybe win, you know, they pick 400 people a month to win prizes and money and all kinds of crazy nonsense. The top winners get $1,000 bucks, and that goes on every month. So if you want to do this, go to ratetvapp.com, ratetvapp.com, download it, boom goes the dynamite, you're making money. Look, this isn't the video I wanted to make. I had something better in mind, so shut up, but I can't do it until I get... Okay, I'm going nuts. Okay, do me a solid, do yourself a solid, and do your friend a solid by sharing this video. Get on the Kinghuman freight train. Okay, I don't know. Leave me alone. Go away. Don't bug me.